Lost photos, videos, or work files can feel like a disaster when every second matters today. Right. RecoveryFox AI helps you scan your drive and bring back deleted files with less stress fast today. It works with hard drives, SSDs, USB sticks, South Dakota cards, cameras, and many file types very well now. You can recover documents, pictures, videos, audio, zip files, and more from one simple tool today. The Smart Scan looks deeper, while the preview lets you check files before saving them again safely. It is built to be beginner-friendly, so you do not need tech skills to start a recovery scan today. RecoveryFox AI uses a safer read-only process, helping protect your drive during recovery today. Now, you can filter by file type, date, or size, so finding the right lost file feels much easier today. If an important file vanished, do not panic, and do not keep using that drive without action today. Click the link in the description and find out more about RecoveryFox AI before files vanish today.